To replace the fine filter ring in your dishwasher, fully remove the lower dish rack and pull the wash arm assembly straight up to remove. Rotate the coarse filter and wash arm support counterclockwise to detach from the sump. Remove the fine filter ring and filter cup assembly, then detach the filter cup. Install the new fine filter ring by first inserting the filter cup. Position the assembly in the sump so the filter cup aligns with the drain pump inlet. Confirm the filter ring is flush with the sump, then align the coarse filter with the wash arm support. Position the assembly in the sump and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Realign the wash arm assembly on the support, then snap it into place. Reinstall the lower dish rack.